Wait, what's that Bluetooth? What's that? Oh, I don't know. I think it's a play toy. I think. Turn on. The ammo hurts me. Help. You put me in the water. Get out. You really think ammo hurts me? Give me your revolver. Give me your revolver. Looks like it's out of ammo. I think there's ammo down here. Yes, there is. There is. How is water getting in here? How is water getting in my thing? No, they started it. I need to reload this ammo. He keeps going in this stupid water. Kid, kill you once again. Come here. He made another. Funny. No. My gun. My gun. My armor. I need to get more ammo. What the heck? How is there more water? See if this guy's actually going. Thought I killed you earlier. Better surrender or I'll pull more hose. And I'll shoot your eye. Watch this. No! You ain't gonna run. My VR just died. Well. You're next, but. No, how did. My hand! What? No! I'm not functioning! Oh no. That's it. That's the thing, I can break my armor. Give it back. Well, thank you for recording with me. But anyways, thanks to this guy and to Damien. But if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you like this video, if you can't like and subscribe, go back to my long-term videos and watch as many as you can. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We and him, we are out of here. And Damien, his Oculus died. But anyways.